Okay, now when we first see this question, the big hint for us is that we've got a right angled triangle here, and as soon as we see that, we want to be starting to think, oh, we're going to use Pythagoras. So let's write Pythagoras down. A squared plus b squared equals h squared, where h is the longest side. So we've got lots of data so far. We also know that it's symmetrical. So because it's symmetrical, that tells us that this bit is half of 7.2, so 3.6, and this bit is half of 7.2 as well. So when I'm doing this question, I'm actually not going to deal with everything at the same time. I'm just going to deal with this triangle here. This is the one I'm going to worry about. So now that I've decided what my triangle is going to be, I'm going to label on my H, my A, and my B. So I'm going to start putting numbers in. A, I don't know, and that's actually what I'm trying to find out. I'm trying to find the height SQ, so from S down to Q. Just this one here. So I've got A squared plus, I do know B, it's 3.6, and I do know H, it's 4.3. Okay, so now I'm going to start rearranging. I want to move the plus 3.6 squared across to the other side, and to do that I've got to minus it. So A squared equals 4.3 squared minus 3.6 squared. Okay. Now, so I'm going to do 4.3 squared minus 3.6 squared, and that gives me 5.53. Finally, just to get A by itself, I've got to square root that because square rooting is the opposite of squaring. So I'm going to do square root, and I'm going to press the answer button on my calculator so I use the exact answer from before, and that's going to give me 2.35 metres, but I'm asked to do it just to one decimal place, so actually it's going to be A equals 2.4 metres, correct to one decimal place, because the number after the one decimal place we can see here is a 5.